Highway construction projects are a common sight on roadways worldwide. While these projects are essential for maintaining and improving transportation infrastructure, they often come with the side effects of causing stress, inconvenience, and increased fuel consumption for drivers who navigate these construction zones regularly. Long-term highway construction can take a toll on drivers and vehicles in various ways, including increased stress, higher fuel consumption, vehicle wear and tear, and potential mental health impacts. While these challenges may be unavoidable, drivers can adopt coping strategies and plan ahead to minimize the negative effects of construction on their daily commute. Additionally, governments and construction authorities should prioritize efficient project management to reduce the duration and intensity of construction-related disruptions, ultimately benefiting both drivers and the environment. One of the most immediate and noticeable effects of long-term highway construction on drivers is the increase in stress and anxiety levels. Construction zones can create a chaotic and unpredictable environment that challenges even the most patient drivers. Long queues and slower-moving traffic can make daily commutes longer and more frustrating, leading to increased stress levels. Drivers often cannot predict how long they will be stuck in construction traffic, adding to their anxiety. Frequent lane closures and detours can confuse drivers and force them to make sudden maneuvers, increasing the risk of accidents. The prolonged exposure to construction-related stressors can have a negative impact on the mental health of drivers. It's not uncommon for drivers to experience road rage, frustration, and irritability, which can carry over into other aspects of their lives. Chronic exposure to these stressors can even contribute to conditions like anxiety and depression. Long-term highway construction also leads to increased fuel consumption. When vehicles spend more time idling in traffic or navigating detours, they burn more fuel, which can have economic and environmental implications. Stop-and-go traffic in construction zones leads to higher fuel consumption. Engines run less efficiently when idling, and repeated acceleration and deceleration consume more fuel. Drivers may be forced to take longer routes due to construction detours, which can significantly increase the distance they travel and the fuel they use. Potholes, uneven surfaces, and debris often result from ongoing highway construction, causing additional wear and tear on vehicles. This leads to increased maintenance costs for drivers, including tire replacements, suspension repairs, and alignment adjustments. While it may be challenging to avoid highway construction altogether, there are strategies that drivers can employ to mitigate its effects. Check traffic updates and construction schedules to plan your route and avoid peak construction hours when possible. Stay updated on road closures, detours, and alternative routes to minimize surprises during your commute by using live GPS apps. Accept that delays are inevitable and try to remain patient while navigating construction zones. In this video we are traveling on Highway 401. This is the Milton area, which is in the west of Toronto. The traffic is very slow.